Hey friends! Welcome back to my channel. This is Mykee and today we're going to cut our own hair. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited because this is going to be my first time na I'm ever going to cut my hair. Anyways, I really wanted to cut my hair because first of all, sobrang init ng panahon ngayon sa Pilipinas. Pangalawa, malayo ang mga salon sa atin. Or kung hindi man malayo, most of them are closed. And ang pangatlo, it's been a long time since I had long hair. So, medyo nagsasawa na ako sa aking looks that I'm always wearing long hair. Sobrang hassle kaya magkaroon ng long hair. You have to be extra careful. You have to take care of them all the time. I just want to have a new look. That's it. By the way, yung guidelines na gagamitin natin is yung video ni Brad Mondo. Brad Mondo is one of my favorite YouTubers. He's a famous hairdresser and he made a video. I'll link it on the description box below on how to cut your hair and not ruin it. So I'm going to follow that guidelines and hopefully magawa natin ang maayos. So the first things you need to prepare is first, a washed hair. Preferably, medyo basa pa or basa. Ito sa akin ngayon, medyo dry na siya. Second is scissors. Preferably, hairdresser scissors. Pero, please forgive me since wala akong ganun sa bahay. I'm going to use my office scissors. Next is some clips to hold your hair while you section it. And then lastly, hairbands. Hairbands. Goma. Ganun. Again, wala rin ako nun sa bahay. Naubos na ata. So, I'm going to use actual rubber bands. It's time for us to finally let go of the burdens, of the heavy burdens in our lives, including our long and heavy hair. Let's start off by combing our hair. Make sure it's smooth, walang sabit. After you comb your hair, you're going to section your hair to at least 4 sections, checking where is the apex of your head. Alam mo yung apex, yung pinaka-high point ng head mo. And then, doon ka mag-section. And then, another section here sa back, sa gitna. Hi. So, I've successfully sectioned my hair. This part, sa likod. And then, dito sa gitna ng aking. Dito sa gitna. We're going to put the rubber bands na to the part na gusto natin mag-start mag-cut. I'm going to do a shoulder length haircut, which is very brave of me. This is not just a trim. I'm going to cut my long hair to a short hair. So, let's do this. Hello people. So, I'm finally done sectioning my hair. This is the best I can come up with. Nabot ako ng 30 minuto dito because I don't have anyone with me who can help me do this. Kailangan, as much as possible, straight down yung pagkatali mo. So, this is the best thing that I can do. Ayan. Time to finally cut our own hair. I'm very excited kasi ganito lang naman kahaba yung ika-cut ko. Maybe this is 1, 2, 3. This is like 8 inches already. Pwede na siya i-donate actually, but I already donated my hair twice kasi nga madali humaba yung hair ko. But this time, I don't think qualified siya because first of all, my hair color siya. Oh my gosh, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Bye-bye. I'm going to cut my hair that way on both these 4 areas and I'll get back to you. Guys, this is how much hair yung nagupit ko. Okay, hello there, welcome back. So, nagupit ko na ang aking hair, yung aking 4 sections ng hair, and guys, sobrang hirap pala gawin. Bukod sa siguro, mas lalong humirap because I don't have hair scissors. Ang hirap niya dahil ang kapal ng hair ko. Took me another, I don't know, 30 minutes. Anyways, ang dami kong hair. And now is the moment of truth. Hindi na ako nag-expect na maging maayos yung outcome I thought after this one, makakapag-layering pa ako, but I'm just so tired. Sabi na nanay ko, pagsisisihan ko daw to. Well, let's see. Let's remove the rubber bands on my hair. Whoa. Oh my God. Ganito naka-short ang hair ko. Yo! Yo! Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to trim the parts na hindi pantay. Maybe I should straighten my hair first. Oh my gosh, I love it! It actually worked, guys. It could be so much worse if hindi ko ginawa yung technique na yun. Ang ganda niya, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it. I love it. But pwede ko nagayan si Mimi, ah. What do you think, guys? Pass or fail? First of all, ang gaan sa feeling. Pangalawa, I feel so much fresh. Pangatlo, I love it because it's a new look. Diba? I can't believe I just did that. Really? I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Okay, we're not done yet. We're going to put some bangs para lang ma-frame yung ating face. Because I don't like it this way na walang bangs. I like it with bangs. And then, medyo ayusin lang natin ng konti yung mga parts na hindi pantay. This one. Ayan, nakikita niyo yan. And we're going to correct it. So, nakorect ko na yung mga medyo lagpas-lagpas na parts ng hair ko. Ilay down mo yung hair mo na ganito para makita mo kung gaano kapantay talaga yung hair mo. Ayan. And then, from there, gawin mong guide yun para ayusin yung hair. Ayan. Kukulutin ko sana kaso hindi ako na magkulot eh. Yun pala yung nakalimutan ko bakit I stopped doing short hair. Unlike pag long hair, ibabond ko lang for 1 hour and then kulot na siya. Or kaya ititirintas ko. Or braids and then kulot na siya after 2 hours. Pero ito, I don't know. Maybe it's really time para matuto ako magkulot ng hair, ng short hair. And then, as someone who has naturally kind of wavy hair, dahil short siya, it tend to curl like that. Tapos magtikwas-tikwas kasi umaabot siya dun sa aking shoulders. But, overall, I really love the result because ito talaga yung hair length na gusto kong ma-achieve. What I'm going to attempt now is lalagyan ko siya ng mga side bangs. Because yung side bangs ko ganito nakahaba ngayon. So, paiksiin natin yan. We're just going to section a little bit of your hair in this part and this part. Yung point cutting mo will start from top pababa. So, para magkaroon lang ng frame, ma-shape yung harap mo. Whatever, I don't know. I'm not a professional. The trick here is unti-unti nyo lang yung paggupit para at least pag merong mali, maayos nyo pa. I'm done. I'm very happy sa naging outcome niya. Na-frame ko na yung face ko with the side bangs using the point cut. And this is the finished look. Of course, thank you so much kay Brad Mondo for making this possible. Now I can cut my hair on my own, pero very hassle. So one thing I learned about this is, if you're not on lockdown, if you're not on quarantine, pumunta ka na lang sa salon kasi nakakapagod. But if you wanna save, since yung ganyang kahabang hair ang gugupitin mo, they may charge you 300 to 400 pesos. If you wanna save money, then just do it on your own. Just make sure you buy hair scissors and not these office scissors from Daiso. So that's it. Thank you so much guys for watching me cut my own hair. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope meron kayong natutunan dito sa video na to. Also, don't forget to subscribe, please, and turn on the notifications. Stay safe, stay at home. You are blessed in all ways. Thank you!